What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs here. Just finished up a mountain bike ride, decided to cut this promo, so I'm looking full enduro mode. But be a friend, tell a friend, because we're out here in Colorado Springs lifting trucks like this one. This truck is available for purchase down at Ferguson Buick GMC here in Colorado Springs while it lasts. These trucks generally don't last when they're built by SoCo. This truck is a 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 with the Duramax. It is a Denali, and we sent it up 5 inches on the zone kit. We achieved this stance with some 20x10s. They are a -12. These are the Gear Offroad 754s in the black and machined. You can kind of see that machining just around the edge. Definitely a dope look. Sets off the chrome and the black of this truck. And then of course we wrapped it in the Klever RTs. Haven't heard that from us before, right? 35/12/50s. Klevers are a great tier 2 tire. You don't have to pay the tier 1 price to get the aggressive looks or the off-road performance that you're looking for. We will put that card in the top right corner of the screen. All right guys, thumbs up, subscribe, and why don't you click a couple ads so I can go down and buy this thing. Peace y'all.